Want to see your face gracing the pages of a glossy magazine, instantly boosting your credibility and attracting a flood of new clients? First, ditch a boring sales pitch and start crafting compelling stories. Magazines aren't interested in ads. They want narratives that resonate with their readers. Think about your unique expertise, like specializing in historic homes or helping first-time buyers navigate a competitive market. Document client success stories highlighting challenges and triumphs. Next, it's time to play journalist. Matchmaker research journalists who cover real estate in your local area or niche market. Find their contact information online through magazine websites or platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Craft a short, personalized email introducing yourself and pitching your story idea. Keep it concise and explain why your story is a perfect fit for their readership. Highlight the local angle or unique data points you can provide. Leverage your expertise by offering yourself as a valuable source. Volunteer to speak at local events, offer expert commentary on real estate trends, and share your insights on social media, positioning yourself as a go-to expert. Remember, getting featured in magazines is about building relationships and offering value, so by following these steps, you'll transform from just another realtor into a sought-after industry expert, ultimately landing that coveted magazine feature.